So oil mga idol, sinusubukan niya yung laruan niya. Ang target niya is 1 inch or 1.5 inch at 65 yards. Windy condition, pinapasubok natin para magkaalaman na. Okay, miss?
Yes.
Try to aim again the lower one. Lock it up.
The lowest one.
Yeah, so that you can see the splash where the projectile is hitting. So the lower one. Yep. Try again to aim on the side. Yep.
This.
I think it's a little high. Yep. Try it again. If you can see the hit, you have to aim in the lower so that you can see the splashes.
I saw a splash.
Yeah, I'm trying to chase it with the thorax. May tao dun. Wait lang. May tao.
It's gone. I can't see that. Oh yeah, they're over there.
Yeah. That's why you have to shoot only a lower. Try it again. Let me try it. Tingnan ko nga kung asan yung projectile. Okay. I know it's hitting right there. Magagalaw.
Okay.
Side. Okay, nandun na ako.
Shot.
One more time. One more time. Okay. So, nag-dry and wind. Okay. So, naka-dead center na siya. Pag may wind. So, ang gamit niya pala mga idol Astro 18. So, Astro 18 lang yan. Kaya, expected yung flyers natin sa 65 yards, and yung barrel natin is MK004 na naka-index sa number 4. So kung napanood nyo yung last video natin mga idol, so yan, pasupport naman ang Facebook. May Facebook na kami si Jai.
Wala pa.
Wala pa. So susunod mga idol support nyo yung Facebook dito, yung small shooter natin. Sige, try to aim dead center.
That's this.
Yung walang bato sa likod kasi hindi yung gagalaw na may bato. Yan. Katabi lang. Try to aim dead center.
Oh, I can't see. So maybe to the start.
Once you hit it, masyadong malayo para sa kanya. Maliit na tayo. Masyadong mataas.
No, lower baby. Make it higher, a little bit higher. Yung impact nasa baba.
Mataas eh.
Mataas ba? Nag-ano sa may...
Lampas eh.
Okay.
Lampas.
Lower it down.
Sa pedal lang yun. Yung salpakan tayo na PLW. Wala. Okay.
Try mo. Kaya mo lang muna. Try mo siya. Oh.
Oh.
See? I hit it. Yeah, you hit it.
Try it again.
Try it again. Same.
I just don't like the middle.
Yeah, I told you to. Just aim on the middle.
But it's windy now again. So I guess I have to shoot like here.
Yeah.
And then
You can see the grass where it's moving. If the grass is moving this way, that means the wind is from here going to that way. So you have to move your crosshair a little bit here. Just a little bit. So in that speed, hindi yan problema yung ano. If that's a bird, actually, if that's a duck, it's gone. That's close.
I really like the middle. That's why.
Maybe it's just the wind that is too slow.
Windy, stop! You Windy, stop, please. Let me shoot.
You'll learn. That's how I shoot. I love windy.
Hmm?
I love windy days
Why?
so that I know how to read them. You have to read it.
How do I do that?
Well, practice. It's hard to explain it. That was a hit.
That was a hit.
I heard it,
I heard it.
but it's just a nick. It's not a center hit. That's why it didn't. That is 65 yards. That's not a joke. For 17 inches. So yun mga idol, 17 inches barrel using Astro 18 bata.
Oh.
Tumatama. So
With pa.
sorry man, I didn't know. I was watching that.
I heard it.
Why you to hit it? You could try hit using this one. Did you put it na? Wala pa? Try this one. Alisin mo na yan. Balik mo doon. Yun. Huwag may halo. Try it.
My.
Just try it.
Oh, this is so bad. This thing is so bad.
Yeah.
It's faster than this one. Way faster. Like 3 more of that.
Okay. Oh, see? Try it.
That's how far it is again?
65 yards.
65 yards. 65 yards, pellet, and with wind. For a 6-year-old.
Ilalaban na natin to mga idol sa palaro. Sa long range, kaya unti-unti. Oh.
That's it. I can
Kamahal sa
loudly
bala
hear
mo.
it.
Kamahal sa bala mo, Jigo. So, palitan natin ang projectile natin ng PLW. Sige pa. Yeah, sa PLW. From Bert, sa mga gusto po ng PLW, ayun po yung link sa description natin kay Sir Bert. Yeah. PLW Precision LED Works. Okay, that was close.
Hold on.
Just fast. Why do you want to go to the other side?
Because it's against the light there. Sige. This is for your mini diaries.
Diary?
Oh, what are mini series?
Ganda ng regulator.
What are you gonna tell them, Zane?
This is my gun. So, like my If I get the third time, see my own gun. And I hit!
Saray na sa na target. 65 sa 1.5 inch.
What are you saying?
This is my own gun. So, let me be careful.
Wow!
What? I'm just trying to hit, okay?
I wonder if Mama can hit that.
Same. I wonder if you can hit it. Oh yeah, you already hit it.
That's the target.
So, ayan mga idol, hindi pa na-tune ito ha. Index pa lang yung ginawa ko kanina. So, sa mga hindi pa po napanood ng video yun, panoorin nyo to mga idol. Panoorin nyo yung video natin kanina. So, in-index lang natin to, hindi natin ginalaw. Yung hammer niya, wala tayong ginalaw sa regulator niya. Pare lang.
Okay.
Hit.
Yeah. That's a little spin.
Just gonna remove this.
And baby.
And I think if I hit that,
Bubig. Ang bubo. Nagbibilang po. 1, 2, 3. Oh.
Smile. Say.
Check sa yan. Wala pa? Parang may nakapasok na.
oh,
Ah.
Puli ng unit. Ba?
Sunod-sunod ah. Oh, baby. Ano nga?
no. I just want to. Aw.
Wala bala.
Lumakas yung wind.
Meron.
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 Lumakas yung wind. No? Tingnan, pakita mong wind. Siguro nasa mga 5 mph. 2 to 5 pag nag-gust.
Hit.
Oh.
Long spin.
Oh, isang smile oh.
Like this.
Oh, isang
One
smile mo
smile.
na. Wait lang. Hindi ko smile. Oh. This. Don't cover your face. And dyan, oh, sa may ano, sa may yan. Just like that. Smile. There's the smile.
Two, two, one.
Hit.
Just in seconds.
Hmm?
When it hits the target, it's just seconds.
It's a millisecond.
What?
Yeah, it's not even one. It doesn't even take 1 second. Wait. I'm gonna try and load it. Dito ka muna.
Oh, if you're gonna make a video of your gun, you tell them what it's made out of. Like,
Iron.
yeah, it's made out of iron, obviously. What I mean is, do you know the barrel? What are the accessories there?
Okay.
That was fast.
So ito mga idol yung ating paligid. So uncut yan. Yan o. So yan. So yung target distance natin. Dito tayo. Baka pumutok. Sana? Dito eh. Dito. Asan na yung kamay ko? Ayun o. Yan o. So
Wait lang.
balik tayo dito. Okay, shooter.
This thing is loaded, okay?
Okay, okay. Smile. One. Wait lang.
Loaded.
Yeah.
Tapo,
why you
Leo.
To put your finger on the trigger. If you're not ready to shoot it. Oh? Oo, mas pakanting ko ah.
Oh.
Bro Bert, beke naman. Inubos na yung aking pellet. Kay Bro Bert yan. So, thank you, Sir Bro Bert, sa pag-sponsor ng ating projectile na BM1. Ayan, thank you.
Thank you.
Paubos na, Sir Bro Bert.
You need to buy some more.
Yeah, and it's expensive.
And I love
It's expensive.
wasted 2 bullets, okay?
1,113.
Oh yeah, I
Ganyan.
remember. Where's the Mentos that I bought earlier?
I don't know. Ito, sa akin to.
It disappeared.
Ganito ba?
No, it's Mentos.
I don't know. Napakalupit ng baril. Sir Mercado PH, shoutout po sa inyo. Napakalupit ng baril.
Strong
Tama nga,
wind.
sabi sa akin ni Sir. Sabi sa akin ni Sir Mercado. Matutuwa ka niyan, Sir.
That
Ayan.
with strong wind, I eventually shot it.
Yeah, I know. I heard it.
Strong.
Sabi ni Sir Mercado, matutuwa ka niyan, Sir. Subukan. Hindi nga nagkamali si Sir. Thank you. So, velocity natin sa PLW, 904 dito sa ating 17 inches na barrel, mga idol. So, 904 feet per second yung takbo nito. Medyo malamon sa hangin, pero konti pa. Konting ayos pa ito. Pero goods na. At least, tumatama na. So, kailangan na lang ito subukan sa 120. Wow!
Spinning.
Mhm.
I just shot it.
You think you can hit the upper part? Yung nasa taas? Oh, but
What? This is loaded. Yep, it's loaded. Let's put it okay. Okay, good. This is hot. Oh, are you so sweet? Hold
it's so
it.
hot.
Hold it. Yeah.
Got it na? Try to hit the upper one.
Okay. And then,
Sa taas.
okay.
Sana malinaw yung buwan sa camera. Parang
How about the orange?
Yung second,
Huh?
yung second
Yeah.
The orange.
yung sa taas. Yung orange ang binibili niya kaso yung sa baba. Kasi para nakikita yung...
the black one.
Huh?
That was the black one. Oh, they know it.
Oh, you're hitting the black one?
Yeah, the black one.
Mas maliit yun ah.
Yung pagka nagsikat ikot. Ang black one.
Duway na, dukot din na. Pag tinamaan mo ang orange, madali. Boom. Pag tinamaan mo ang black,
Pero
madali.
ito na sa ang black.
Madali.
Ang ninano niya.
3, 2, 1, burn!
Did you just fart?
Oh, slightly.
Aim on the top one.
It's not fine. It's something else.
Something else.
Okay, I don't know why that.
Oh. Baga. Kamu minta tamaan. Dahil ito na ako.
I hit the bottom oil. But right now I'm aiming at the black.
Kaya mo yun, ha? Thank you.
Air. Cool. Not all.
Nasaan ba lang?
Let's check the mileage soon.
Can I try? Which one is?
Black.
Oh, the black one? Okay.
Don't push down the table.
Let's try not to move the table. Ooh,
Hit. Hit. But it's on the top. On the.
Top.
Yeah.
at the very top.
At the very top.
Wait, let me get this.
Okay, you check, okay?
It hit, but just a nick.
Okay, there you go.
Let me see. One more. Let me just make it a little bit. Now,
Finally.
So, ito yung, ano yun? First runner-up, ano? First runner-up natin sa 116 yards last competition ng Erosin. Ayun, Team Hinay competition. Ito yung nag-second. Pellet versus slug. Yung labanan. Oh, malupit din talaga yung slug. Napakaganda. Tapos wala namang ibang entry. Halos ilan lang kami. Wow! Sharpshooter talaga. Dapat sila yun ang kumaril mga idol ng ano, ng mga precision shooting. Na bisyo. Hindi sa atin bagay yan. Sa fishing lang ata tayo.
how about the orange? Or mas small itong ano,
Alin?
the black one?
Alin?
Ang black?
Oh, mas small yan. Daya mo dyan eh.
Oh.
1 inch yan. 1 inch. Oh?
Just nagbago ka.
Yes.
Sunod-sunod no?
Sunod-sunod. Isa speed shooting ata to.
Walang nga yan.
Speed shooting.
Tatalunin mo yan si Sir Albino. Please. Walang nga yan kung gaano ka-accurate. Isa lang ibig sabihin yan mga idol. Accurate talaga.
Speed shooting ang puto.
Isa lang ang ibig sabihin yan. Oh, lumipad ata yung pellet.
Oh.
Wala na. Narinig ko dyan. Be careful ng ano, kasi
Ini-speed shooting nga.
This is deadly though.
masakit yan sa kamay pag may grip yan. Or parang may something there. Masakit sa kamay. Miss. Ay, salamat. Nag-miss. Ano? Ano po?
Hindi ko sila.
Oo.
Do not smoke, Mama.
Tapos,
This is a farm. You're not supposed to smoke here at the farm. You're only supposed to smoke here at houses and stuff.
No, this is an open space, so that means at least.
where did it hit? Did you see it?
You should see
You should see it. Where you
so
miss.
you'll know how to adjust.
You know how to move. Next time, I'll teach you how to hold. What?
What?
Just watch the leaves. See? Where is it going? Where is it going? No.
You're not gonna smoke there.
Watch there. It's going this way. You can see the grass down this cove. You can see the grass.
Sinag mo ko tatali ang video. Sunod-sunod.
Wala man, betul. Sir Mercado, thank you. Ayan. Ganda sana kung may thread. Baka may kakambal to.
Huh?
May kakambal yung Revla. Rinigala sa atin, panglaro ata niya ni Sir eh. Kaya ganyan tumama. Hindi ko alam yung laro na ganyan na may mga target na parang silhouette, mga silhouettes.
2, 1.
Pero pwede na to isali. Pwede na to entry. Ayun, sa mga Bulan Ergano, shoutout po sa inyong lahat. Ayan, may bago na tayong kasali. May bago na tayong kasali mga idol sa competition o sa palaro, sa pageant. I-entry natin to. Doon, marami ka doon,
Ka-play.
ka-play. Yung mga kalaro ni Dada doon, magiging kalaro mo na rin.
3, 2, 1.
Parang ulit na yun. Gayon ang performance sa unit.
Galing mo kayo.
Walang pinatune.
Di ba na yun?
Kaya makasaya pa siya sa akin. So, pag na-tune yan, mas pino yan. Tapos,
That's right.
mas less ang air consumption niya. Pero ang power niya, like ko lang napababa. Pinakababa na yun, 900 hindi sa PLW, 890, 880 sa Astro. Pinakababa niya na yun. Sa 17 inches pa lang yan. Pag kinargahan mo yung mas halaba na barrel, mas makusog pa yun na.
Realize lang.
Yan ang problema sa dapat mapaluya siya.
I wanted to be like 18 or 20.
Inches? That's long. Gusto ko nga 14 lang. Baka naman, sino kayo may 14 inches na barrel dyan? At masubukan natin. Pero kung maaari naman, bigyan na natin ng thread. Para may karga natin yung ating silencer, mga idol. So maraming salamat sa mag-sponsor ng 14 inches na Revla. Ayan, thank you. Pakit ng pakit ang unit. Nag-iksi na didi. Kaya nagluwas na ini. Dati baga pantay lang ini natangtas ang suppressor. Ini naganahan ko ini kay Sir Blendel 5 pa. Tarapon. Regulator. Napakabilis ng recovery. Walang 1 second yung recovery.
What are mini-series? What are you gonna tell them, Jane?
Bo. Ayun talaga.
I
So,
never heard them.
talagang tumatama na.
What are you still doing?
Talagang tumatama siya.
I wish this was up the other side so that they can see.
Yeah. Hindi ko man malagay dyan. Pangit. Kasi, ito, hahaba dito. Kasi andito yung camera nyo. So, I have to put it here para doon siya papunta. Hindi palabas dito.
Wait.
Gusto din ko excited para nakikita ko yung ng right eye, ng left eye ko nakikita ko yung target. At the same time, I can see on the scope and I can see the target here. But it's blocking me here. Mawan or
Now it looks closer than I thought it would be. It looks like it's just like 50 yards away.
Listen sa ako dalhin pa sa lungsod niyo.
Nala, it looks like it's just 50 yards away.
It's 65.
It just looks like it, but it's actually
It's 65.1 yards.
what's 65?
65.1 is like
Dala ka, paano ka?
around 59 meters. Huh?
Paano ka siya? Paano ka siya? Ma-withdraw ko tapos. Like ko na ito.
Dada, look, it's upside down. It's like, it's at the back. It's at the back. Dada, it's at the back.
Mabayad ako sa bill.
Oh. Sige, flip it over.
Okay.
Mabayad ako bill. Yeah.
Lain mo naka-cash out.
Line ko na transfer sa bank para magbayad ako sa GCash or sa SafeUp. Siguro may problema na yan ng karusot sa iyo. Ako ay nakaninan. Shuttle ang ano mo, maripak. Di pa din?
Pinasa ko sa China.
3, 2, 1.
Pero nandun lang talaga tama niya. Kasi kung titingnan ko, ang groupings parang nasa lata, pwet ng lata ng sardinas. Para sa akin, gusto. Tamaan mo yan. 1 inch. 1 inch target. Sukatin nga natin yung pagdating dito.
Oh?
Pagkuha ko, sukatin natin pagkatapos mo. Grabe. So, ayun na talaga mga idol. Siguro, proven naman na yung setup, kahit hindi naka-tune, itatama. So, yung barrel ni Sir Mercado PH, thank you, shoutout po. So, ito hunting barrel to. Kahit maluwag yung PLW natin, tumatama rin siya sa 65 yards, mga idol. Yan, bata na yung, ano to, yung naglalaro. So, ayan mga idol. Maraming salamat sa inyong panonood at shoutout po and thank you. Ayan mga idol. So, marami pa tayong gagawing video. Kaya kung hindi ka pa nakapag-subscribe, i-subscribe mo na mga idol at patuloy tayong gagawa. So, meron pa tayong i-unbox and titingnan na Ashbook Pellet and Pelstar. So, abangan yan mga idol. Papasok yan dito sa unit natin. So, it's either itong lalaroin ko or yung unit natin mga idol. You're too fast. Yun, hanggang dito na lang. Take care. God bless.
Peace out.